I made my first 1000 online using only free AI tools. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, let me tell you how I did it, and how you can do it too. Imagine starting from scratch and hitting that 1000 subscriber milestone faster than you thought possible. I did it, and I want to show you step by step how you can too, all without spending a single penny on expensive software. Let's dive right in. First, I decided to focus on creating valuable content using ChatGPT, a fantastic free AI tool. I began by brainstorming content ideas and writing scripts with ease. Within a week, I had a list of 10 video ideas that appealed to my target audience. You see, it's all about consistency and relevance. Next, I tackled video creation. I used a free version of another AI tool called Pictory to transform my scripts into stunning visual content. Pictory helped me create engaging videos without any prior editing experience. It was a lifesaver. Within the first month, my channel gained over 500 views. I was thrilled and knew I needed to do more. So, I started optimizing my videos for search engines using a free tool called vidIQ. This helped me find the right keywords and tags to boost my videos' visibility. By the second month, I saw a significant increase in engagement. My subscriber count jumped to 700, and my videos were getting shared more frequently. I was on the right path. Now, here's the magic trick that pushed me over the top. I started using Canva, another free tool, to design attractive thumbnails. Thumbnails are like the cover of a book, and Canva made it easy to create eye-catching designs that drew viewers in. In just 3 months, I hit 1,000 subscribers. It was amazing to see how these free tools enabled me to grow so quickly. The key takeaway: consistency, quality content, and leveraging free AI tools are your best friends. If you're just starting out, remember this: keep it simple, use these tools wisely, and you'll see results. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.